Sugar, how you get so fly?
I'm Mackenzie,
And I'm Desire.
and this is the MD Cooking Show. Today we're going to be making raspberry cinnamon rolls. After mixing the dry ingredients, then you're going to add half a cup of milk,
1/4 a cup of melted butter,
1/4 a cup of sour cream,
and 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract.
and then you just want to mix it all together until you form a dough. After mixing the dough, then you're going to put it on a floured surface and start rolling it out.
Now we will be making the filling for the cinnamon buns.
First, in a bowl, you're going to put 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon and then half a cup of brown sugar. And then you're just going to want to mix that up.
In a separate bowl, you will be putting 6 tablespoons of melted butter, 1 teaspoon of raspberry extract, and 1/4 a teaspoon of red food coloring.
Okay, I'll mix it up.
After you finish mixing, start by basting the butter mixture onto the dough.
Putting the butter mixture on the dough, then you want to take the brown sugar mixture and sprinkle it over.
The cinnamon and brown sugar, sprinkle, roll it up horizontally. Finish cutting up your cinnamon rolls. Make sure to spray your cooking pan over the sink so that you don't get any spray on the floor.
After cutting them, you're going to want to put them on the pan cut side down. After placing them on the tray, you're going to want to put them in the oven for 12 to 13 minutes. After letting them cool, after taking them out of the oven for a few minutes, while they're still hot, you're going to want to add the glaze. Now we're finished with our raspberry cinnamon rolls.